Almost 20 years ago, Bill Gates wrote 3 famous words that have since echoed around the world of marketing. Content is king. I remember back in 2007 when I was pitching social media to my first clients, exclaiming that if content is king, then social must be queen. Content is arguably the foundation of the digital world we now live in, and content marketing is threaded within social media. It's a way we can sell and inform our customers without shouting sales messages at them. In this section, throughout the following lectures on social media and content marketing, we're going to cover what content marketing is, the types of content marketing, how to plan your content, content to help with customer services and recruitment, and then the next steps to superpower your content marketing. Content marketing is a theme discussed and taught throughout this whole course. This section is about discussing the underlying principles and to highlight why it should be at the forefront of your mind when you use social media for your organization. Content is a type of media, like videos or music. It used to live in magazines or newspapers. Perhaps a journalist would write something about your company, or you'd be asked to write a column because the editor thinks you're a thought leader on that subject. Here's an example of content marketing from 1910 from a UK cigarette company on how to keep your plants watered while you're on holiday. Here's a modern day example on Vine by an American company called Lowe's that operate a chain of retail home improvement stores. YouTube is a form of social media. SoundCloud is a form of social media. Blogs are social media. But why? Because the whole premise of these sites is they host types of media that can be easily socialized. They have share functionality, the ability to reply, comment and adapt. The media is ranked based on likes or dislikes, views or shares. It becomes talked about, opinions are formed, minds are challenged, it becomes social. Social content marketing is content you create across your social channels. Each channel has its own set of rules that you need to play by and also what the community expects from you. Jay Baer describes the difference between social media and content marketing as content marketing is a device used by companies to educate, inform or entertain customers or prospects by creating attention or causing behavior that results in leads, sales or advocacy. Social media is used by customers and prospects to communicate amongst themselves and occasionally with companies. This communication can result in leads, sales or advocacy, but it is often less structured and conversational and can be reactive too, as social media is increasingly used as a customer support channel. From the company perspective, the goal of content marketing is consumption, then behavior. The goal of social media is participation, then behavior. The confusing thing today is that as social media expands, brands need to create content to populate these channels. Further, many content repositories have rich social media overlays. The new G+ fueled comments on YouTube, for example. And a comparison from Jay. Social media is the new telephone. Content marketing is the new brochure.